Let's take one more exercise in SolidWorks. This is a sheet metal housing of electrical part. All dimensions are in millimeter, thickness 1.5, bending radius 2 millimeter. Okay, corner relief cut 0.5 times. Okay, now here we have some, let's say this is top view, this is front view, side view, and this is flattened view. You will see here. Okay, so we will start with top view. Top we see 165, 200. We will make one flat sheet. Then we will extrude this side base, side flange. You will see the side flange depth 42 millimeter, both side, and at center 20 millimeter depth, 85 millimeter. This is exactly at center. Then radius R5 and 4 holes here. Let's do this. Top plane sketch. Now activate center rectangle and start with origin point. Okay, right click and choose select and exit. Smart dimension 200 by 165 millimeter. Okay, now simply go to sheet metal and activate base, flange or tab. Now see. Now here apply material 1.5, radius not option. Okay, cut relief rectangle and here keep ratio 0.5. And bend allowance by default keep K factor 0.5. Okay, now activate edge flange. If you choose upper one, it will go upside downward. See, now select both sides. Now look. Here choose radius, bending radius. Radius always count from inside. Okay. Angle this flange 90 degree and depth 42 millimeter. And this is going to measure from the point of between these two planes. And flange position, this position going to keep inside. See, material keep inside. If you check custom relief 0.5 by default because we already applied, say OK. Again I am going to apply edge flange. This time let's say apply here, drag downward, and I want to edit this one, edit flange. Okay. Okay, let me do one thing. Connect with this origin point. Make this okay. Now distance 85. This is located at not located at a center. 20 millimeter. Okay. Now let's drag this and see here midpoint. See, this is coincide. Okay. It seems fully defined. Go back. Okay, radius also change it here 2 millimeter. Now rest keep as it is. Position keep material inside. If you see from this side, look, material going to add inside. This is what our drawing say. Okay. Now let me add fillet. We can add constant type, radius 8 millimeter, symmetric, and select these two edges. Okay, apply extruded cut. I want to make hole here, so select this face, activate circle and apply circle at the center point of this corner. Similarly keep circle. Now select both circle and make relation constraint equal. Smart dimension and apply dimensions 5 millimeter. Now simply exit and see extruded cut is activated. Now here one option called link to thickness. If you apply this, it will going to cut only up to thickness of material. See, this is not going to cut anything beyond the sheet thickness. Okay, I want to mirror this option there. Okay, let's add some louvers, 14 number of louvers, 20 millimeter from here, and a gap also 20 millimeter, and 50 millimeter from here. So go to design library. Now here in design library you have option feature, not feature, forming tool, louver. Okay, just simply drag over here. Now it is going downward directions. I want upside, so here choose flip tool and here apply angle 90. Okay, this is going to be this position. Perfect. Now go to position, smart dimension, $50 millimeter, 20 millimeter. Now say okay. See, linear pattern. Now here choose one direction, which direction I want to move this louver. So I am going to select this edge. I want to move this direction. Spacing n instances. Spacing how much? 20. How much louvers need? 17. 7. And select the louver feature. Now you will see the preview. Say okay. Let me choose mirror. Right plane is suitable. Now pattern, let me select extruded cut, fillet, and this bend. Okay, these 4 things we need to say okay. And see here. Now you will see this side view. There is a keyhole slot, 2 numbers 20, 50, and this is one more slot 50, 10. 5, 10, 40, 15. How to make this slot? Either you can cut it or you can use some template. Let's see. Again go to design. Just above the forming tool there is a one option called feature. In feature there is a sheet metal, and see there is a slot. Just drag this. Okay, now from here you can change position, edit sketch, smart dimension. Now distance, (15), 40. Even though you can change it back, and see there is one option, override dimensions. Now what is A? A is the smallest diameter, so make this one radius 5. Okay, this is the corner, let's say 0.8, and this is the outer diameter 10. See? Okay, and see the thing secreted. Now simply go to, okay, again go to forming tool, let's say emboss. Okay, keyhole emboss. Just drag and place somewhere this face. This is embossing inside, fine. Rotate 90 degree. No, we don't need this direction. 270 degree. Okay, we need this direction. Position, dimensions, (50), 20. Look, it seems fully defined. See? Okay, I want to mirror this. Let's see what else balance. Okay, if you see side view, this small flange, this depth 16, R6, 5, there is a hole, 5 diameter hole. Okay, let's do this. Go to sheet metal, edge flange and select this inside edge, drag inside, and here choose edit flange. Okay, dimension. Now the width is radius 6, so diameter going to be 12, and distance from outside 16. Okay, back. Now keep material inside. See, okay, fillet. Now here I am going to choose full round fillet, 1, phase 2, and let's make phase 3rd, and you will see the preview. Say okay. Extruded cut, select this face and apply here hole. Apply hole at center. Make it 5 diameter. Exit and it will show you extruded cut, and here apply link to thickness. Okay. Edge flange, edit. We forget to edit one thing. Bending radius 2. Say okay. Okay. Okay, let's mirror this. Mirror. Reference plane, right plane, feature to mirror. Select this and hole. Even fillet. Say okay. Now again I want to mirror this all. Mirror. This time reference plane, front plane, feature to mirror. One already selected. Second, let me select this cutout and this one. Okay. That's fine. See. Now there is 4 slots. See, 15 center distance, radius 3.5, from outside edge 6.5, and this is exactly lies at bending line. And there are total 4 number of holes. You will see here. So half here, half on bending side. See, if you see isometric view, see. And here you will observe all bending dimensions, angle, radius, bend up, down, direction, everything you can calculate from here. You will see these bending annotations, tags. Okay, so go to sheet metal and open this, unfold, because I want to make bending on flat. So first you have to choose one fixed plane. So let me select this one and select manually all the bendings which you want to unfold. But for a time being I am going to select collect all, say okay. Select this face, sketch. Now here I am going to select center straight slot. Make the line straight, vertical. Radius 3.5 means diameter 7, and distance from here to here 6.5. Okay, now this is two bending outside and inside, so we have to make one center line. So let me choose, see the midpoint, see this yellow midpoint. Okay, now select the center point of slot and this line, make relation coincide. Look, it seems fully defined sketch. center line. Now I want to mirror this horizontal vertical center line. Mirror entity, select all circle, mirror about, select this line. You will see the preview here, say OK. Again activate, select this, mirror about, this horizontal line, and you will see the preview. OK. Now 4 slots created at all corners. Simply go to sheet metal, activate extruded cut feature. In bending, okay, keep direction 1 bend, link to thickness. Even if you uncheck, you can simply apply thickness, but I am going to apply link to thickness. Now the cutouts already applied. Fold feature. Now I want to fold. By default, fixed surface already selected. Collect all bend, say OK. And here we go. I am going to apply some dark color so it looks okay. If you want to check flatten view, normal view, if you want to export, right click, export to DXF file. DXF file mainly used to produce this one. Give any name, save. Now here choose export DXF. What entities you want to export? Like geometry, hidden edges, okay, bending line, sketches, forming tool, okay, because we have forming tools, bounding box, library feature also. Origin you can select, but let's keep as it is. Say OK. And it will show you preview. See, this is the center point, and it will show you, even though it is mentioned here all the louvers and everything. Simply save. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.